The Truck Guardian. Publish and copyright Bookapee Team 2025.
Four-year-old Yahya loved trucks. Big ones, small ones, red, blue, and green. His room was filled with them, and he could spend hours lining them up, racing them, or imagining them building cities. Yahya had a big sister named Yumna. She didn't share the same passion for trucks. Instead, she loved dancing and making TikTok videos. Even though their interests were different, Yahya and Yumna spent wonderful times together. Sometimes she would cheer for his truck races, and sometimes he would clap along to her dances. One evening, Yahya discovered a video on YouTube. A boy claimed that toy cars and trucks could talk at night. If you said a special word, only your toys would recognize. Yahya's eyes widened. He grabbed his favorite trucks and tried word after word. "Sharky! My trucks! My friends!" Nothing happened. That night, Yahya fell asleep with his toys around him. His dreams carried him to a magical place among the clouds. There, his favorite truck, Sharky, was climbing clouds as if they were giant rocks. Another little truck zoomed across the sky, bursting into the air like colorful fireworks. Suddenly, a group of mischievous helium balloons stole away from crying children in a park below. They floated upward, giggling like tricksters. Sharky roared to life, chasing the balloons. His wheels spun faster, and he shouted one word: "Vroom!" Before dawn, Yahya stirred in bed, whispering the word again. "Vroom, vroom!" As the first rays of sunlight touched his window, something strange happened. His toy chest trembled, then creaked open by itself. Yahya gasped as his beloved robot toy came to life, stretching its arms and humming a soft musical tune. A flood of sparkling blue crystals spilled out, shining like frozen pieces of the sky. Then, boom, a massive truck, larger than any he had ever owned, slowly descended from the ceiling as though the house itself had given birth to it. Sharky rolled out of the chest, his headlights glowing. Behind him, dozens of little trucks followed, each one alive, each one smiling. "Yahya!" they called together in joyful voices. "Thank you for loving us, for keeping us safe, and for always being our friend." Yahya's heart filled with wonder. He couldn't believe his toys were speaking to him, laughing and rolling around his room. At that magical dawn, Yahya realized he wasn't just a boy with toy trucks. He was their true friend and guardian, chosen because of his kindness and care. And from that day on, the word vroom would forever unlock the secret world of his toys.